Welcome back. Today, let's talk about living longer and aging gracefully. It's all about prioritizing health and well-being over overindulgence. Here's what I do to improve my health and lower stress. My day starts with a 5-minute stretch. I make hot tea or coffee without sugar. After a quick news check, I go for a 20-minute walk to clear my mind and improve my vision. I splash cold water on my face and chest before putting daily makeup. Throughout my workday, I take breaks every hour to look outside. For lunch, I enjoy eggs with butter and avocados. This is my first meal of the day. This ensures my body recycles old cells during intermittent fasting. Dinner is a 1/2 pound steak, hamburger, or fish with fresh bell pepper and arugula salad or sauerkraut. I don't use store-bought dressings and always cook at home. No substitutes, only real food from scratch, unless it is a vacation or a holiday when I don't stress what I eat as long as I soak in new experiences. If I stay up late, I have a glass of kefir with flaxseed. Before bed, I do a 3-minute leg exercise while brushing my teeth and use dumbbells to strengthen my arm. Deep breathing exercises help me relax before sleep. So, I use cold and hot therapy and intermittent fasting to recycle bad cells and generate new ones. Here's what I do to reduce stress. I declutter regularly and write things down in multiple places. I stick to a routine and use the same small handbag to avoid forgetting important items. I avoid rush hour driving and stressful situations when possible. But I try to deal with difficult situations quickly the best way I can. Eating a slice of butter can instantly lower my stress. And once a week, I treat myself to a sauna, red light therapy, or a full-body massage. Instead of overindulging, I try to pick the best quality food and supplements to feel that I am nourishing myself. Good music, whether classical, jazz, or ballroom, helps me relax and organize my thoughts. Smiling and laughing on every occasion is essential for health. I try to let go of what is not mine to deal with. I have enough to deal with. Letting go helps. Slow, deep breathing technique help me to stay calm and solve problems. Simplify your life, stay organized, and focus on the present. Love yourself enough to put yourself first. By taking care of ourselves, we can remain independent and helpful to others for a very long time. How does letting go, prioritizing, simplifying, and nourishing sound to you? Share in the comments below, subscribe and share. Thank you.